Yo, what is up guys? I'll be showing you how to fix problems with the Among Us mods. So what you do is you go to Steam, and you go to library, and hold on, and then you right click Among Us, then you go to properties and Steam, then you go to local files, then you verify integrity of game files. So the Among Us files can reload, it will validate, and then it should work, but like it works for me. So what it's supposed to look like, let me show you. So what you do is you delete everything in your Among Us files. You can see I deleted everything, and then let me go back, properties, right click Among Us, go to the local files section and verify integrity of the game files. And then if you delete all the files, you'll have to install, and it'll also verify the integrity, which means it will put all the files back. As you see, it's working. It's supposed to look like this. It says all files successfully validated. If you don't see this, then you are in the wrong section. But now you go back to your files for Among Us, and it will show you this. And now you just load Among Us, and it should work. Everything should work properly, and you shouldn't have problems. If you're having problems like going back to regular Among Us, and you can do the mods by adding the stuff from the mods of the zip, the WinRAR, or another app. And yeah, that will be it. As you see, it worked. Nothing. And comment down below and like and subscribe. Bye.